So this is a continuation of the design I started a while ago where I had that hour-long video. I'm going to have to make it shorter only because my memory on my computer is not the greatest. So far I was working on the send money page, and these were the ideals I kind of came up with. This was an early stage with this, having who it's being sent from to who it's being sent to, the amount, easy amounts you can click on, predetermined amounts I should say, and then the dial pad, and then it turned into this where that went here down low, and then I was like, yeah, no, and then I ended up going to this design right here, a little bit similar to Cash App in a sense, or I tried to incorporate some of Cash App's designs into the ideal, and then the latest one was this, where who was being sent to, and then having these icons here to chat or call, because that's the part of the app that I'm creating, is the fact that you're able to chat with the person in real time or call them excuse me, as well. And I was thinking, putting what account it's coming from and then the available balance on that account, which kind of reminds me of a little bit of incorporating Coinbase, where it's like the account it's coming from. The only thing with the available balance, it doesn't show you how much you have available in the Wells Fargo account to send, but it shows you how much money you have up until a point you can buy crypto with. So for this one, I kind of want to have it where somehow it knows what's the available balance from said account to send to said person. So that's what I'm working on right now. I'm thinking maybe building off of this somehow versus this, because as you guys know and I said before, I struggle with color. I'm still teaching myself design altogether. I struggle with typography, color theory, all that type of stuff. I'm still learning and figuring out. So I have happy mistakes, so to speak, where stuff just ends up looking good after I struggle along with it for hours upon hours and days. It ends up turning into something. But the more I practice, the better I get. I won't have the happy mistake, but I'll have intentional design progress where things will become what they should be intentionally versus me stumbling into it. So that is what I'm working on today. I'm gonna take this design to build off of because I kind of like where it's heading in the direction, and then I believe I got these designs from Mobin. So this is a bit of Coinbase right here. This is something called Revolut. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but I like some of the stuff they're doing where it shows the account and then it shows, of course, the currency. And I think this is the equivalent to what it equals in USD. Or I'm assuming, I'm not quite sure. And then, of course, it has this dial pad. And then with Coinbase, you have the amount, and then this is the amount it equals in Bitcoin or whatever, currency conversion, so to speak. And then how much Bitcoin you have available. And then you can send and receive, things like that. And then I guess this place is called Soulflare. I'm not sure. Similar, who you're sending, the crypto wallet you're sending it to. In this instance, my app ideal, it's not a crypto wallet. It's literally like it's a Cash App competitor, so to speak, where you're able to send and receive money. So that is what I'll be working on. I'm going to end the video here, and then I'll show probably where the design started off at, which is this one, and then where I ended up getting to after designing for some hours or however long I'm going to be working on this. So that is what you'll see in the next updated video. Thanks for watching. Bye.